Welcome everybody, Bobby 2 Pops Breaks. It is Tuesday, the 14th of June. We are breaking Bombox Jerseys Plus. Randomed up our 21 remaining box, and numbers 22 is what we got. We did random team sales for this. On your left, team's customers have been randomized. We then alphabetized customers. Bunches everybody's entries together, gave them a couple minutes to trade, but for whatever reason, guys are just not trading this series. Double checking one last time, not seeing anything. So here we go. Bam! Going to be one of the Charlie Sheen Wild Thing jerseys. That is for the Sheen spot, folks. Going to be Wild Thing. Free spot is going to San Diego. So San Diego is going to get the freebie. Looks like we got a slab, obviously, guys. See what that's going to be. Well, gonna be a Golden State hit, folks. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah, it's actually a Timberwolves, guys. It's a Timberwolves. It has Wolves on it, so that's a Minnesota hit, folks. Yep, I'm sorry, GS spot. I'm very sorry, bud. Going to be a Timberwolves, though. Minnesota spot, Andrew Wiggins, Gem Mint 10. Let's see if it's numbered, man. I can't ever see them damn numbers on this thing. It's a cool card. It's just, it's got like, I can't really get it really to show on screen there, but it's got like all sorts of refractors, everything, but I'm not seeing a number, guys. But that is going to be the Minnesota spot with the Timberwolves, folks. Well, that's going to be a dog hit. On that, show our Sheen. Who gets to Charlie Sheen? Well, Joey. These guys have forgot to grab bags. Wild Thing, Charlie Sheen. Going to the Sheen spot, y'all. Going to Joey on that one. Joey gonna one spot that thing. $150 in that area, $175, $150, dog. That's what they got marked on it. Drop my down marker. Alright, so Sheen goes to Olin. Card goes to Doug. And who got the San Diego spot freebie? Gonna be Lone Star on the freebie, folks. That's gonna wrap up that one boxer, guys. See if we can get out of some bigger, better boxes. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. By that 2 pounds breaks, call out your keeps, folks.